What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to separate your hair into 4 sections. Super easy, super simple, and I'm not going to waste any time. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So boom, what you need is 4 elastics. I got 3 elastics here and I got this extra one, but this can still work. But you need 4 elastics, right? So what you do first, you put the elastic on your wrist. Boom. You put the other on your wrist. Boom. You put the other on your wrist. Boom. I'll leave this one for last, whatever. But this is what you do. You take your hair. So I have leave-in conditioner in my hair right now, so that's why it's a bit white. So I separate it like this. I separate the back like this. Right? It doesn't have to be perfect partings. This is just freehand parting. I just named it that. It doesn't need to be super clean parting. I grab my elastic. I scrunch it up. I tie. I do it. Go over it multiple times, and then stretch it out like this. Boom. First puff done. On to the next. I can start with the back. Like this. Puff down. Third one. I'm trying to separate it with my fingers over here. Last one. This is the last puff right here. I'm gonna grab my last one. Boom, super easy tutorial, super easy. That was like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. If y'all like the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if you found it helpful. Leave me any questions, I'll try my best to respond to you, and without further ado, I'm out. Peace.